common question that clients ask me is whether a lie detector is admissible or whether that would help under Canadian criminal law. The short answer to that is a lie detector is not admissible in court. It cannot be used either for you or against you. So, for example, if you agreed with the police to take a lie detector and you pass, a judge is never going to hear about that. If you fail, a judge is never going to hear about that. The lie detector is often used by the police as a tool to get you talking. You should not take a lie detector police if the police ask you to do that. What's going to happen is they could lie to you and say you failed and try and get you talking, get you nervous. Even if you pass, it doesn't help. There may be very narrow circumstances where you might consider a lie detector. And I'm going to give you one example that I've used for clients in the past. The Crown's thinking about withdrawing the charges. They think it's a very weak case, and they've had discussions, but they're saying, we're going to still probably go ahead with it. The victim wants to go ahead. I recognize it's a weak case. Maybe there's some slim prospect of conviction, maybe there's not, but politically the Crown wants to go forward. In that situation, I might, and I've done this a couple times in the past with clients in that situation, hire our own lie detector expert. So then we do that in our office with the expert or in the expert's office. If the person passes, I may be able to then, use those results with the Crown and say, look, you've got a weak case. You know it. You've already told me you don't want to run this case. He's passed the lie detector. He's innocent. That situation rarely happens, but that's the only time. And it's our own lie detector. If you fail it, and there are false fails on lie detector, even if you're telling the truth, it's not infallible. We don't share it with anyone. So other than that very narrow situation, which rarely happens, do not ever agree to take a lie detector, especially from the Crown or the police. That's not a situation you get into. You have a right to remain silent, and that's only going to probably hurt you by taking that lie detector test.